So this is the life, the real life of Africa. The real life of Africa. You see now, I'm traveling by using uh, bicycle. You see the channel here. So today I'm going to show you the real life in Africa, especially in countryside, the village, not a town, but in the village. Welcome to Mario Traveler. So today I want to make this vlog about real life in countryside. I mean that the life of countryside. Yeah. So we are going to see more about the life of in the village, countryside, some house, some farming. Yeah, we are going to see more about the life in countryside. As you see here, look, there's a house, and this is a house. It's you can find this house countryside. Yeah, you see farming. Yeah, they're doing farming, maize, cassava, bananas, and so on. So because of life, it's a very challenge. It's a very expensive there. Mahor, it's a very expensive there. Yeah, in the countryside you can find everything, amazing. Let me say amazing. See some children here. Yeah, you can find something amazing, which are amazing. I mean that you can see some animals live with in the same house with the people. Yeah, you see, those are the sugarcane. Those are manure of cow for fertilizer. So this is beans. Yeah, you see some avocados there. So, yeah, some people there, they are preparing cool. They are preparing dinner. What I've said, you see, the animals live together with the people like this. As I got Mahoro. Some people are odd. Mahoro. Yeah. Some people are odd. Yeah. Some house. Some people are Mahoro. Yeah, you can find everything you see here, especially something which are challenge, which are difficult to see. Yeah, because the life, I can say, it's not expensive, but it's a challenge. It's a difficult to live. For example, during you have been a long time in a town, you can't live countryside. Mahoro. You can't live countryside because you have to be used to live in a countryside. You see this one. This is coffee. This is a tree of coffee. You see, like one coffee. Yes, you can find everything you see. Mahor. What you see behind of me, those are beans, which are ready. Yeah, they dry. To dry beans, fresh beans, they put up. They hang up on the house. Yes, the life of countryside. It's a very expensive. You see the children who are driving bicycle. Mahoro, ni sawa? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Some cards are saying that record fit, record video. Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Yeah, everything is good. You see, there are so many bananas like these bananas. Yeah, the life is easy for the people who are used to live in a countryside, but it's difficult for anyone who don't have any experience for living countryside. Misal, countryside. Look how they hang the clothes. Yes, the life is a very difficult. It's a very challenge. Mahoro. Hatkomiriche? Yeah. Okay. To say hello. Yeah. The customer of Burundian or the tradition of Burundian, when you meet some people or when you see some people who are sitting, you have to greet them. Yeah. Mahoro. Yeah, it's a greeting. Yeah, you say mahalo. It's like hello, how are you? Yeah, you have to greet them. It's how. Yeah. Excuse me for hearing some words, some language Kirundi, because Kirundi is my it's my language, and it's the language everyone who can understand when I'm speaking, because if I'm speaking like this, no one can hear this. Mahor, no one can hear this. Look how those children, how they are they are enjoying. They are playing some game. Yeah, they are playing some game. Some children here is crying. Some children here is crying. Yeah, really the life of countryside is very easy for everyone. Mahoro. Very easy. Yeah, you have to be Mahoro. You have to. Someone is preparing dinner there. It's preparing dinner, and some cat is eating. Hello, Misawa. Is eating. Yeah, the life of countryside. It's a very challenge. It's a very challenge. Wow. Yeah. When you meet some people, you have to greet them. Mahoro. Hatkomirij. Okay. Mahoro mut. Yeah. You see some pig there. The eating. Yes. I'm making this vlog for showing you the real life of countryside. Mahoro. Countryside. You see how the house, how they look like. Yeah, but you see, they cultivate. There are so many farmer. Sweetie potatoes, and bananas. You can find, yes. Yeah. So this is I'm recording this video during afternoon. It means that some people, whenever you see some people sitting there preparing dinner, Mahoro chan, they're preparing dinner like those people. They are preparing the food of the night. Yeah, the food which will be eaten night. Yes. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah. Some cats, they are so happy, they are enjoy. Mahoro. They are enjoy. So on. Look the life of countryside. Yes. Yeah. Look how those children, how they are praying. They're playing the tennis. It's a game. It's a game which calls tennis. Look at those children. I say, ni sawa? Umeze neza? Ndaguhe? Mwanya. There you go. Ndagarutse. I'll come back. Some children they are saying that give me, let me get, let me see a video, let me see a film. Yeah, say that I'll come back. Mahoro. I say that I'm coming back. You see, the trees of cassava, beans, like you see chicken here. They are enjoying. Mahoro. Some people they are sitting here. They are enjoying. They are so happy. Yes, this is the real life of countryside. It's a very, very wonderful. Mahoro. It's a very, 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 very wonderful life. Some people, Mahoro. See some people there. They are sitting. They are telling the story. They are sitting. So they sit together by telling any story. They telling any story. So it depends. Someone can bring a new story in a gathering. Then they can sit together and they start to chat to cheat. Mahoro ni sawa. Yeah, great. Those charge. They're praying. They are enjoying. They're so happy. Ni sawa. Say hi. Some children, they are laughing. They are laughing here. Ni sawa? Fuga hi. Fuga? Fuga hi. Fuga hi. Oh, he doesn't understand what I'm telling them. Yes. You see another children here. They are so happy. They are praying. Someone here is a nut. Hi, ni sawa? Wezenez. Yeah, they are so happy. So this is the life of countryside, real life. So today, yeah. Ni sawa? Mugire mugwane. Okay. So here they are telling a story. They are enjoying those people. Yes. So today is a Sunday. It means that here in Burundi you can find. So there are few people who can go to the farm during Sunday because they are Christians. Mahoro, they are so Christians. See how those children, how they are so happy. Ni sawa? They are so happy. Yeah, it means that you can find the people who are in the farm. Yeah, some region there are some believer. So it's a different. Here in Burundi, there are also different region. There are different beliefs. But it means that mahoro. It means that during Sunday, you can find anyone. Yeah, you can find many people in the farm because Sunday is the day of break, the day of praying, is the day of sitting together, of go out and so on. Yeah, it means that most of people Burundi, they are Christians. That's why you will not see some people who are in the farming or are farming. Mahoro. Yeah. So Mahoro is like this. When you say Mahoro is like have peace. It means that you greet them. Yeah, you greet them. Mahoro. It means that you greet them. Mahoro. Yeah, when you say Mahoro, it means that hello, how are you? But it's more polite. It's more polite. It's more polite. Yeah, when you say Mahoro, happy. Yeah, some children they are enjoying with chicken. So muriko muraigira na you see like this children is enjoying. So they have put a lot on the chicken. Yes. Mahoro. Yeah. Let's say mahoro, mahoro. Yeah, mahoro. It's a greet. It's a more polite for greeting people here in Burundi. Yes. There you see some very they print race and they print race. Yes. And exchange like this. Yes. So really, the life of Burundi is a very difficult. Mahoro. It's a very difficult. Yes, but you can live. You can yeah. Let me say that. You can live here without any problem, without any yeah. Let me say you can enjoy with those people, like those people that are enjoying Mahoro, how they are enjoying. This is so very wonderful. You see, motorcycle, some children here, they are enjoying Mahoro, Mahoro-chan. Yeah, some insect. they put in my eyes. Yes. So thank you for this vlog. Thank you for this video. It was that about to show you some people the real life here in Africa, especially here in Burundi. Yeah, this is life of Burundi. Really, it's a very beautiful people. They are so happy. They are enjoying. So they are so happy. Let me say, the people of here in Burundi, especially countryside, they are so happy. They're so happy. Means that they got everything they need. There are so many farmers. There are so many. There are so many. They are doing more farming here. Yeah, they eat what they raise, what they grow. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Marius Traveler.